Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a card using some of the new products from the Heartfelt Harvest release, so let's get started. I'm using the Bountiful Banner Stamp Set, Coordinating Honeycuts Die Set, and Layering Stencil Set for my card today. I decided to use a slightly unusual fall palette of gold, coral, and dark shades of blue. I place the first layer of the stencil over a panel of white cardstock. I use a blending brush to apply Faded Jeans Distress Oxide ink over the first stencil layer. Then I carefully remove that layer and line up the second leaf layer. This time I applied Chipped Sapphire Distress Oxide ink. Next, I use Stormy Sky for the leaves of the third and fourth layers. I also use Delicata Gold ink for the tiny accents on those layers. I use saltwater taffy and abandoned coral for the flowers. And finally, I use the same gold ink for the banner, concentrating the color on the edges and blending out to the middle. I let the panel dry completely and then line up the coordinating Bountiful Banner stamp set over the panel using my MISTI. I stamp it with Versamark and heat emboss it with gold glitter embossing powder. Then I die cut it with the coordinating die. Next, I stamp the banner sentiment into the center of the banner and heat emboss it with the same gold glitter embossing powder. I trim a piece of soft coral pattern paper from the new Homestead Harvest Piper Pad and adhere the stenciled arrangement on top with foam mounting tape. I love the versatility of this set, and that by changing the ink colors and embossing powders, you could easily use this set all year round. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used and the Heartfelt Harvest release in the YouTube description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have a fantastic day and happy crafting. Bye!